Alright, CSS battle time, and we have popsicle sticks, maybe? How interesting. I don't know why I deleted that placeholder text. It was actually pretty good. Oh, and with some help, I found where the font sizing is. So if this is still too small, let me know. I'm okay with adjusting it, making it more readable. I know if I'm looking at a small screen, I can barely see it too. Um, all right, I mean, we've got essentially two shapes, or the same shape, just two colors, and one's inverted. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be a box shadow one. I don't think I can get border dotted to be, make the rounded edges. Um, we're gonna use border radius, so we're gonna make this shape with border radius, and then repeat it. So let's use box shadow, and then we can make the HTML like one of these, and make the body the other one, and the body can have a scale -1, and I think that should work fine. Or maybe a rotate, either a scale -1 or rotate, whichever gets the box shadows to run the opposite direction. So let's start by making, I think what I'll do is I'll make this one the HTML. Start over here and then shove the body over with positive numbers. I don't think it's going to matter. Yeah, I don't think it's going to matter. Oh, you know what will matter is the type of, I've got to do 4 units for the border radius. So if I do this one as the border radius, like the HTML, I'm going to put border radius on it. So I'm going to go 0, 0, 50%, 50%. But if I do this one, I do 50%, 50%, and we can lose a space on one of those zeros. Back it right up to that percent sign. So I think actually I'll do it that way. It's a little thing. I might lose that one character just with the different margins, but let's just go for it. Okay. I'm gonna put a background of purple in here first. Just, you know what? No, I'm not. That's just gonna throw everything off. It's not gonna help me any. Box shadow. We're gonna go 0, 0, 0, and then 9M for the yellow. Right? I'm gonna try to condense this all into a single thing, and then we're gonna do an inset. I like to do 2" 0 to make the yellow color, or not yellow. It's gonna be purple. But actually on this one, since all of the box shadows will be purple, I'm gonna say color is purple. Oops, wrong button. There we go. Good. Now we can margin things in to the appropriate area. I wonder why I'm not seeing any yellow yet. Oh, because I haven't margined it down. We still need to margin it down to see that. So let's go 50 on the top and bottom. That's exactly right. And then we're going to walk it over to that far right side. So right is going to be like 80, no, a little less, 70, okay. Bottom is still going to be 50 and then 200. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I'm going to have to up the okay, is it 300? Oops. Yeah, 300 to get over there. Okay, that's not terrible. Let's border radius it. We can do 1 inch, 1 inch, 0, 0. Cool. Oh, and you know what? I'm not even doing 50%. I mean, 50% is the same, so I could say 50%. Oh, it's not the same. Okay. So my whole theory of putting the first one over here, not actually good. Okay. I'm actually gonna, because I'm not doing 50% and that whole spiel was completely wrong. There's another thing. my box shadows have negative values right now to move them over this way. So I need to actually flip-flop this around so that, let's just change this to 0, 0. So it's the other way around. We're going to change our color to pink. Alright, change the color to that pink color. Move that over there. And then we're going to flip-flop our margins. 370. Cool. So they're at least evenly spaced. And at least this one I should be able to do like 75%, right? Yeah. Perfect. Okay. That came together. Let's do our other box shadows. We still don't have enough on the yellow, so let's do like 20, because I'll have to eliminate that for the body or else nothing will show up. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So let's do these over here. I think I have to do them first to get them to appear. And we're going to the right, so we're going to go 200 pixels, 0. Beautiful. And we almost got it. So 190, great. And let's do our second one is going to be like 250, 0. And let's up that to 280, 270. Ugh, I hate those numbers. Those are not going to be great for reducing, but there are worse things in life. Cool, now we can move on to the body. What the body's going to be is we're going to have a margin of 0 to start. And top and bottom are going to be 0, but left and right are what we have to adjust. So it should be, we're going to move it, why am I having trouble? It's the right hand side first. So that's going to be like the negative 200. Ooh, yay. And 0 and 200. Okay. We almost got it over there. Oh yeah. Let's, well, let's just move it. We can move it over and then we'll get it right. 240, 230. Oops, 30. Okay, and 230 gets us all the way over there. We can go scale, -1. Okay. Oh yeah, and our color. We've got to change our color to purple. So we're changing the default color of the box shadows here by overriding the color property to purple, so that, did I get the right color? Yes, it's just not showing up. Why is, I like that those are in place. Oh, no. Let's see. It's not changing anything. Okay, let me get rid of the, okay, everything's pink. Why is color not changing? Did I spell it wrong? No. Interesting. I needed that for it to work. Okay, now this, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. That did it. What can I change? Now I could, turns out inset is the exact same number of characters as writing your own. No, actually it's not. It's fewer characters this time because our inset is the same as these other box shadows. So because I don't have to declare that color again, I'm already declaring it here, I am saving some characters this time. But if I didn't have that, I wouldn't be. Alright, this worked. I like it. Let's see what 190 and 270, oh, okay, good, right here. 190, 201 Q, okay. 270. I'm not going to remember this. Oh, it's 90 VH or 15 LH, but we're going to do 90 VH. 90 VH and 201Q. Let's look at our diff. Just make sure nothing looks too. Yep, looks really good. I guess that worked. Do I have any better ideas? No, I don't. I don't have any better ideas because that inversion that's happening makes it so like gradients for repeating just don't really make sense because you yeah, I'd have to like repeat up here and then not down here and or down here, but yeah, making the border radius, this is the best option I can think of. So I think what I'll do is I'll leave it like this. The alternatives would be variants of this would be playing around with the margins, like where things are going. Oops. And then I could change. Play around with the margins. Yeah, I guess picking which one is my starting point. I think doing this one was pretty good. But I could play with that. I don't think I'm going to. I don't have better ideas. I'm going to leave it here. Cool. That was fun. All right. Thank you all. I hope you're having fun with this. I will catch you later. Bye.